Let's start. Today we will see how to order the items in the Flexbox. Let's see the code. In the body tag, we have a parent div tag with the class name, Flex Container. And inside this div tag, we have several div tags. Normally these div tags would be ordered as they are written, A, B, C, and D, but here we have used the order attribute, and we have changed the orders of the elements. So now, the first element would be D, the second element would be B. The third element would be A, and the last element would be C. In the style tag, we have written the CSS of the div tags. This is the style of the div container with the class name Flex Container. And this is the style of div tags inside the Flex Container. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, instead of normal ABCD order, the elements are now ordered in a special order that we had defined. So that's it. That's how you can order Flex items in the Flexbox. Thank you.